Okay, so here's the piece all done, but it isn't dried yet. But it really has a real lot of movement. You can really see like some swells in the ocean, right? The ocean swells, yes. I really, really like how that came out. I'm very happy with it. This is a girl from Cape Cod. Telling you, it looks like the ocean swells. I think that might have to be its name. You'll have to give me some ideas what you think. Do you like that name? Let me know. So I mixed my colors, and I have to show you, where'd it go? I want to show you my pouring medium. Okay, so here is my pouring medium. It is Endless Possibilities Gloss Pouring Medium, and it's done by Ronda Thomison. Okay, it is a great pouring medium, and it actually says on here, can be used for Dutch pours, dustpan pours, a flip cup, strained pours, wandering straight pours. You can make jewelry skins. It is really a great, great pouring medium. So I suggest it for anyone. It's easy to use. I just pour it in my little cups. I put in my paint color, stir it up, and let it sit for a bit, and it's ready to use. There's no craziness. You don't have to worry about anything else. There will be a link or an email address for this medium in my description. So be sure to check that out. Another amazing thing about this pouring medium is when you finish your painting, it keeps. It doesn't move, it stays. It's really a great product, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out my clothing line. Thanks again.